Hey! Whoa! Do you want to be famous? Life's full of adventure. Are you ready for more? 'Cause I'm feeling something I ain't felt before. Are we gonna be friends forever? The answer is yes. Are we gonna make it together? The answer is yes. You got what it takes to be famous. The answer is yes. You don't have to ask, you don't have to ask, you don't have to ask. The answer is yes.
I like Crazy Golf, but it starts to get a little repetitive after the first few thousand times.
That's why I've invented speed golf. We run through the course, hit the ball as fast as we can. Whack!
I can't run in these heels. They pinch. Speed golf sounds fun, but let's make it more interesting. If I win, you lot pay for my ticket to the circus tomorrow.
So, if you win, I pay for you. But if I win, you pay for... Go!
Constantine, duck!
Constantine not so duck. Constantine is fine. Better that ball hit Constantine than hit Constantine's new amazing donut machine. Machine is state of art. Will make twister donuts such as Free World has never seen.
There's a man who really likes his donut machine.
Not like, love. More than family member. Mwah. Donut machine is stolen! No!
I don't know why, but suddenly I'm hungry for fruit salad.
Behold the morning wonder! Handles all your morning tasks. As you iron your shirt, it toasts your bread and brews your tea.
Cool!
And after it's made your breakfast, it curls your hair.
Wow!
Hey!
I'm sore.
Wow! If that thingamabob did your homework too, it would be the greatest thingamabob in the history of thingamabobs.
Look at all that cash! I've got to come up with my own gadget to sell. All right, Dylan, thinking mode.
Looks more like 8 Bad Oysters mode. While Dylan's off in a money trance, I say we go see the hypnotist.
Woo!
At the sight of the Queen of Diamonds, you will be in my command. Voila. Blaine, you are a dog.
Woof, woof.
And Dane, you, my dear, are a pussycat. And now you're locked in the same room.
I kind of like them this way.
Constantine has been robbed. Need Kieran kits and furry dog.
Excuse me, who's the constable around here?
Of course, refrigerator-sized constable always welcome. Where donut machine was is now empty spot. Like empty spot in Constantine's heart.
Victim reports empty spot in heart.
Constantine, the only fingerprints here seem to be yours.
And there's no sign of a break-in.
It's the perfect crime. The criminal leaves no evidence, and I get treats.
No fingerprints, no forced entry, just like the others.
Others? There's others? What others?
Benchley's chemist shop, cash from the till. Then rare stamps stolen from the hobby shop. No clues for either.
When did all this happen?
Saturday.
The day the circus came to town. A circus full of mysterious, shady characters.
Exactly. No connection, I suppose. No, my finely owned instincts tell me that...
Oh,
One Love to Gibbies on. I have it downloaded directly to my phone.
Don't worry, Constantine. Kieran Kids and Furry Dog are on the case.
Excuse me, sir. We've got a few questions concerning some robberies.
But before that, a little item you might like to handle. I'll give you 20% of the take. Behold, an onion, a spoilt fish, and a rotten egg. It's the sting machine! Get to the front of any queue, crack the handle, and gross people out!
Oh, that smell! It smells like even, pure even, and maybe onions.
Guess it needs a little tweaking. And now, back to the investigation. Joe?
We're sorry, sir, but there was a robbery last night and we're looking into it.
I was demoing the Morning Wonder at Constable Stubblefield's scrapbooking party last night. Made a ton of sales, unlike today.
Ha! Good one! Have you noticed anyone suspicious here at the circus?
The guy who works the hammer ride. Strange guy. Leaves early a lot, blinks too much. Try him.
So we're just asking if anyone's seen anything.
Not me. I was watching rugby all last night.
And I was shopping for a new gown.
It's cute. I hope it was half price.
You like rugby?
No, I detest it.
Keep quiet, you. He's talking to me.
Don't order me around.
He looks awfully nervous about something.
Maybe it's being next to half a ton of metal fatigue machinery that was thrown together at 4 in the morning by secondary school dropouts.
Excuse me, do you mind if we ask you a few questions?
I'm kinda busy, you know?
You seem kind of nervous. Perhaps you're guilty.
No one must find out about me. I say it, you.
Someone get us off this thing!
Get us off! That was a sick bag. Somebody help us! Oh, I can see our house from here.
The controls are broken! And it's going into the danger zone!
Why does it have a danger zone? It could have a fun zone. It could have a yippee zone. A danger zone is dangerous. You get a 9.5 for the dismount. Dylan stumbled a little.
That's him! Was that guy gonna use the portable bathroom? Ugh, those things smell so gross! You're gonna stay in there till you tell us the truth!
I cannot hold my breath any longer. I confess to you I am guilty. My work visa is expired. If I am found out, they send me back to Quebec, where my family is irritating to me.
Oh, sorry. We thought you were someone else.
No, you liberate me. I can no longer live with the guilt. I shall return to Canada with its forests and streams and delicious maple syrup.
Could you fix the hammer ride and give us a free go first? If it doesn't shake your major organs loose, it's actually kind of fun. So, you're not gonna talk about all these robberies, eh? Maybe this'll soften you up.
Constable Stubblefield, did you find the thief?
Oh, no. This is just Wax Willie. He's a dummy I practice my technique on for when I do arrest someone.
Then he's perfect for me to demonstrate my newest gadget, automatic handcuffs. You see your suspect, you press the button, And I go back to the drawing board.
Constable Stubblefield, we've been sniffing around the circus.
Inside tip, don't sniff around the strongman on a hot day. Pooey!
There are people at the circus with robbery motives. The half-man, half-woman has a half-mother, half-father who needs an expensive operation. And the fire eater needs money. He burnt down his caravan with a between-meal snack.
Stubblefield? What? No, slow down, slow down. I'll be right over. There's been a robbery at the Dunstans.
Aw, that's too bad.
They were taking their anti-aging foreign language through subliminal tapes beauty power naps. When they woke up, their antique vase collection was pinched.
That's a real shame.
Guess that rules out your circus theory. A robbery just occurred and everyone at the circus has an alibi.
Excuse me, Constable? Your suspect is melting.
You have to get to the Dunstans. We'll mop up Willie before he escapes.
I know in my bones the thief is from the circus. We just need to go back there and lure him into the open. Oh, careful, Timmy. Don't step in, Willie. Hey, Joe! Is it true your mom won valuable prizes on a TV game show? Yes, she won diamonds, rubies, gold, and other priceless things, all of which are very easy to carry away.
So, how's your valuable comic collection?
Very valuable indeed. You can see it at 15 Osprey Road.
Hey, there's your mom now. Doesn't she have a cookie jar full of large bills and stock certificates? Why, yes, she does. Hello, Mom.
Oh, Joe, Ali, we just saw the most amazing hypnotist.
He had the whole audience clucking like chickens. Your mother tried to lay an egg.
And then I won a cactus at the beanbag game.
Oh, dear. Well, we're off to see the dancing bear.
Ta-ta, kids. Oh, I must still be a bit hypnotized.
The trap's baited. We'll warn Constable Stubblefield to be on hand tonight. If the burglar strikes, she'll be hiding nearby to arrest him.
Tondalaya, you are an island she-demon, but my love for you is more powerful than the volcano god to whom you must be sacrificed.
Well, Stubblefield's in position. We'll see if the robber shows up.
While we wait, it's a great time to demonstrate my latest brainstorm. Step right up for the miracle of today. Always need an excuse to work out. Love smoothies but don't have electricity. The bike and blend is for you. Oh, isn't it brilliant? I'm going to make a fortune.
Instead, you made a mess.
Well, that's what Timmy's for.
Hang on, Tondalaya. I can carry you across this molten lava.
What am I doing here? Why am I covered with tomato? Why do I have my good silverware in a bag?
All questions for the jury. You, my good madam, are nicked on a charge of burglary.
Oh,